Hey, it's Trey Cross, founder of the Cross 3 Network, and I want to show you how to learn any gospel song by ear. So, how do you do it? How do you learn any gospel song by ear? Well, here's a simple formula. This is how I do it. This is how I've done it for a very long time. It's actually really simple once you think about it. So basically, the first thing you do is really simple, and you just simply learn the words. Once you learn the words, then you can really understand the song a lot better, and so and you can know where you are, and it helps you not to get lost. So learn the words to the song. Okay, all right. So the second thing you do when you're learning any gospel song by ear is you learn the format. How is the format of the song? Is there an intro? Okay, so if there is an intro, then after the intro, do you go to the first verse? Okay, and then after the first verse, do you go to the chorus, or do you go into the second verse? Okay, so how does that work? You know, after that, do you go into the bridge, or do you go into another verse? You know, or do you go straight to the vamp? Is there an outro? So learn the format of the song. Okay, so that'll really help you to memorize the song a lot faster. Okay, so after you learn the format, learn the melody. Learning the melody is the most important part of the song. So learn the melody. So after you learn the melody, learn the bass line. You gotta know the bass line. Whether you play the bass line or not, you have to know it, because it shows you, it gives you a reference point. Okay, yeah. So learn the bass line. If you don't know it already, the number system is going to be very instrumental in going to help you learn the bass line super duper fast. Okay. So if you don't know the number system, I talk about it a little more. I have a video on my blog or my YouTube channel talking about the number system. Okay, so learn the bass line, and then after you learn the bass line, you simply learn the chords. Okay, now this is on a very basic level. Okay, so recap: learn the words. Second, learn the format. Third, learn the melody. Fourth, learn the bass line. And fifth, learn the chords. Okay, so if you would like to learn how to play gospel keys by ear for just $10 a month, $10 a month, click the link in my bio, click the link above or below this video.